Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will clarify Gmail or email. Let's start it. We know how important is email in our life right now. We get confused when someone asks me give me your email. So you tell them I don't have email address. I have Gmail. So now is clarify that if you have Gmail, that's okay. If you have any other custom email address, so that's okay. So if someone asks you for Gmail or email or mention give me your Gmail, if you use Gmail address, so you can access a lot of Google service as like YouTube, Google AdSense, Google Contact, and many more. You can search on Google service list. So, and many more service on Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, Google Maps, Google News, Cloud, Google Translate. So a lot of service of Google you can use using Gmail. So we will clarify email or Gmail. So if you use Gmail address, you can access a lot of Google service. That's okay. Now if you have any custom email, someone asks you give me your email, you get confused what you give them. You can give them any of you used Gmail, Outlook, or any your custom email. Suppose I have shamim@odamofoundation.com, so that's custom domain and custom email address. So email is a way of method or exchanging message between people using electronic device. Email was thus conceived as electronic version of or counterpart to mail. So you can access any other things through email address. So if you have email or Gmail or any other access, you can got custom email address from any website, or you can use email.com or mail.com. You can got here much email address. They give you free a lot of extension, so you can see here all are free. Okay, so you can here is the confusion clear @email.com. So you have any other that you can access over the world. So if you have Gmail, email, Outlook, any other thing, someone asks you give me your email, so you can give them any other email, Gmail, or any other custom email address. So that's okay. Thank you for watching.